Hey, if you're looking for a home that's private with 3 acres, that's close to the lake and close to all the lake amenities with lake access, this could be the one for you. Hey, even though it's on Harbor View Boulevard, the house is in the village farms, which means it has deeded water access to the village amenities. First thing that I noticed when I visited, and it's one of the things that the sellers love the most, is this screened-in porch. The kitchen is clean and efficient, set up to handle everything from a quick late breakfast to a laid-back dinner without slowing you down. The living room is simple, open, and easy to live in, with a natural flow that makes it a comfortable place to gather after a day on the lake. The primary bedroom is tucked away for privacy, offering a quiet place to recharge after a full day on the lake. And remember, they've got deeded water access through the amenities of the village, so let's go check that out. And also what a lot of people don't realize is the trailhead to one of Cherokee Alpine Ridge's hiking trails is right here. Like you can almost see it from the house. Cherokee Ridge Alpine Trail Association, or CRATA, is the organization that keeps these trails up. And you can get right here and hike all the way to the overlook that overlooks where Chimney Rock and Acapulco Rock are, and look all the way down to Calliope Bridge. Then you can hike from this spot right here, really close to the house. Okay, this garage, like lake people know, when they see a garage this nice and this tall, they know what it means. You could either store your boat here, you could store an RV here, you could have an electric car here because they've got a 30 amp hookup right here. So a lot of things to like about this carport. All right, one of the coolest parts about this house is it has a robotic lawnmower. They got a name for it, it's called Martin. And I know this is nerdy, but like I grew up cutting grass in Alabama in the summer, and I am fascinated by these. And that just goes along with this whole house. I mean, it is super nice, it is well built, and so it's not like if you're coming in from out of town, you're not gonna have to spend half your weekend getting the house ready. You come in, Martin's cut the grass, everything's done, and you can just enjoy your weekend. If you think this home might be a good fit for you, if you're looking for a place that has water access, is near Lake Martin, but has some space to stretch out, has nice 3 acres, wooded, and just a really nice house. If you think it might be a good fit for you, I'd love to help you out. I'm John Coley with Lake Martin Voice Realty.